Hey everyone, today I'll be showing you how to make Roblox pinata cake for girls. So let's get started. Here we start with fondant work. I have pink fondant for the bow. Using yellow fondant for the hair. Black fondant for eyes and lashes. We roll out white fondant for Roblox alphabets. Using pink fondant, make a broad band and stick the alphabets on it. Here we have chopped white chocolate. Melt it in the microwave or using a double boiler. Mix it well to make it lump-free. This is a dome-shaped silicone mold. Pour melted chocolate and turn the mold around to coat the side and the base. Remove the extra and refrigerate for 10 to 15 minutes. Now do do the second coating. Using a spoon and more chocolate, go over the sides. Scrape the extra and refrigerate again. Carefully unmold the dome. Make 2 of these domes. Take one chocolate dome and stick it to the base using melted chocolate and fill it with candies or any surprise element of your choice. Take a hot pan, melt the edges of the other dome and stick it as shown. Dab some water and stick it as shown. Stick the pink bow. Next goes the eyes, Roblox and smile. Some shine in eyes. Our pretty Roblox pinata is now ready.